Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add bio on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Now click on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Here you can see the add bio option. Click on it. Now type in your bio. Then tap on save option in the top right corner. And that is how you can add bio on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.